Singer Easy Repair. It is important that you take safety precautions when following what we instruct on Easy Repair. Therefore, one or more of these icons will be displayed on screen as an indication of when and where you need to be the most precautious. Today on Easy Repair, let's see how to change the bulb inside of a Singer refrigerator. Let's check out how to change a bulb in a Singer Geo 200D double door refrigerator. When we open the door, the bulb doesn't light up, so we need to change it. First, disconnect the power. The bulb in this refrigerator is located in the corner of the temperature controller unit, on the inside of the fridge. As you can see, there is a plastic cover on top of the bulb. Let's first remove this cover. Use your finger to carefully remove it from the inside by pressing the clip like this. This is a threaded bulb. Carefully unscrew it. This is the burnt bulb. Now let's replace it with a new one. First, screw in place and tighten it very carefully. Then take this plastic cover and insert these two clips to tighten it on the side. Now reconnect the power. You have to open the door to check if it lights up.